Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore quadratic functions and the shape of their graphs. We will focus on understanding why these graphs, called parabolas, open either upwards or downwards. First, let's define a quadratic function. It's a type of equation that can be written in the standard form. Y equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c. The key feature to always look for is the x squared term. This term is what creates the unique U-shape of the graph. When we plot a quadratic function on a graph, it forms a symmetrical U-shaped curve. This specific shape has a name, a parabola. Every single quadratic function, when graphed, will result in a parabola. Important parts of the parabola are its turning point, called the vertex, and its line of symmetry. Looking back at the standard form, y equals a x squared plus bx plus c, the very first coefficient, is incredibly important. The sign of a, meaning whether it is a positive or a negative number, is what determines the direction the parabola opens. When the a value is positive, so any number greater than 0, the parabola will open upwards. A simple way to remember this is to think of it as a positive smile. If a is positive, the parabola smiles upwards. Conversely, when the a value is negative, which is any number less than 0, the parabola will open downwards. You can think of this as a negative frown. If a is negative, the parabola frowns downwards. Let's consider the equation y equals 2x squared minus 4x minus 1. Here, the a value is 2. Since 2 is a positive number, we know immediately that the graph of this equation will be a parabola that opens upwards. Now let's look at another equation. Y equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 2. In this case, the a value is negative 1. Because a is negative, the parabola for this function will open downwards. The direction of the parabola also tells us about its vertex. If the parabola opens upwards, its vertex is the lowest point on the graph, which we call a minimum point. If the parabola opens downwards, its vertex is the highest point on the graph, known as a maximum point. To summarize everything, if the a value is positive, the parabola opens up, looks like a smile, and has a minimum point at its vertex. If the a value is negative, the parabola opens down, looks like a frown, and has a maximum point at its vertex.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.